Okay, let's unbox.
How do I do this?
Here. First, show them the box. Here's the box.
We have different kinds. I want to get that mystery one.
I want to get the purple one.
I want to get the mystery one, and Tito Louie wants that. So
What's the other called? Peach?
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's on the
Or the
front
green
one.
apple one.
Oh, I like this one.
Okay. Okay.
Let's
Show
open
them
this.
first. Show the whole box. Okay, go.
Let's go.
Here.
It's here.
No, should be here. This.
Okay.
Okay, go.
We need to remove. Oi, 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 oi.
Okay, there go.
Oi.
No, not like that. Okay, and then.
Okay. Now,
Tadam! I saw it na.
the card.
Because there's a card.
Is it?
Show the how you'll open it. Dali. You don't need to show it.
It's the yellow one.
Ay, dapat.
Pineapple.
Wala.
It's pineapple.
Jajan! Show it to the video. Cute!
And it even has a pineapple sign.
Pineapple sign.
Yes.
Tadam! So cute, right? Not yet.
Kitty.
Smells like pineapple.
Yeah.
See?
Yes. It's good.
Mm.
But
You're gonna smell the, what do you call this? Hachi pichi.
it smells.
And this is the,
It smells good.
yeah. And this is the card.
It is
Gummy bear.
gummy bear, and I had the blue one. I had the blue one.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, no one else does.
So we got this pineapple.
Yeah, and
It smells like pineapple.
I actually got one of myself. And do you know what I got?
The blue one.
It's
Did you vlog
the
it?
blue one. No,
Hmm.
no, I didn't.
Okay, bye guys. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.